Google just gave freelancers a serious edge. Most people have not caught on yet. There is a free workflow inside two tools you may already use. It takes organized research and turns it into a fully interactive, shareable website. And it does that in well under a minute. No developers, no page builders, no subscriptions. The tool at the center of all of this is NotebookLM. If you have been underestimating what NotebookLM can do, this video is about to change that. My name is Paul James. I show solo operators, freelancers, and consultants how to use free AI tools to compete with agencies. Stick with me because this one is genuinely useful for lean service businesses. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go High Level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is the problem that grinds down so many freelancers. You do the research, you organize everything carefully, you have a solid deliverable ready to go, but you hand it over as a document and it lands flat. It does not feel like something worth premium rates. The client sees a file. They do not always see the thinking that went into it. If you want to build a real website around that work, you need a developer. A developer costs money you may not have right now. Or you spend your whole weekend in a page builder and still end up with something that looks amateur. Either way, you end up underpaid for work that deserves better. This is the gap most freelancers keep running into and do not know how to close. Here's where the game changes. I want to introduce what I am calling the notebook deploy method. Instead of using NotebookLM as just a notes tool, you flip the script. You use it as the knowledge foundation for a full client-facing web experience. You build the notebook. You connect it to Google Gemini. You unlock one specific setting inside Gemini. And in one move, you deploy a fully interactive website from that knowledge. The notebook becomes the product, the research becomes the deliverable, and the whole thing costs nothing except the time it takes to write one prompt. Here is what most people miss about NotebookLM. They treat it like a storage tool. Drop notes in, pull summaries out. That is the small version of what it can do. The bigger version of NotebookLM is an intelligence layer. It feeds other AI systems and powers real-world outputs. Once you see it that way, the notebook deploy method starts making complete sense. Here is how the workflow actually runs. Everything starts inside NotebookLM. You create a notebook and load it with documents relevant to your project. This could be client brand guidelines, a competitive research package, a service overview, or a coaching curriculum. Be deliberate about what you include. NotebookLM draws its output directly from those source documents. The quality of what you put in shapes everything that comes out. Treat this step like laying the foundation for the whole project. Rushing it here costs you quality at the end. Once the notebook is ready, you head over to Google Gemini. Inside Gemini, look for the plus icon at the top of a fresh chat. Click it and you will see an option to attach one of your notebooks. Select the NotebookLM notebook you just built. Add it to the chat. That connection is the bridge. Your organized knowledge is now live inside the Gemini workspace and ready to become something real. Here is where most people drop the ball. Inside Gemini, there is a setting called Canvas. It lives inside the Tools menu. Without Canvas active, Gemini is just a chat interface. With Canvas switched on, you unlock full interactive web generation. This is the hidden setting that makes the notebook deploy method actually work. Turn it on before you type anything else. Stay with me, because this next part determines the quality of everything you produce. Google gives you a few model tiers to choose from. There is a fast option, there is a thinking option, and there is the Pro model. The output gap between them is real and visible in your final result. Pro delivers the most polished output. The navigation is cleaner, the layout is more refined. The interactive elements feel purpose-built, thinking is solid and still useful for client-facing work. Fast works but falls well short of the other two in polish and detail. If your plan includes Pro Access, use it for this workflow every single time. On the free tier, thinking still gives you genuinely deliverable output. Clients will not know the difference. I remember sitting in my brother's garage trying to build something from almost nothing. If the notebook deploy method had existed back then, things would have gone very differently. Now for the prompt itself, keep it goal-oriented. Think about what the website needs to do for the person visiting it. Something like build an interactive web experience for this consulting service. Include a section that breaks down what the service covers. Add a short self-assessment so visitors can decide whether this is the right fit. That is enough direction. NotebookLM already has the knowledge. Gemini just needs to know the outcome you want. Broader prompts give Gemini more creative latitude. Specific prompts produce more focused output with a narrower scope. The best results tend to land somewhere in the middle, and always include the word interactive in your prompt. That one word consistently pushes Gemini toward dynamic, clickable output rather than a flat static page. The generation takes well under a minute. What you get back is a live, shareable link to a navigable web experience. It includes clickable sections, quizzes, pricing breakdowns, FAQs, timelines, whatever your prompt called for. It works on any device. It looks professional right out of the gate. One click to share it with anyone you want. Here is the twist almost nobody is talking about with NotebookLM. You can attach screenshots or a short screen recording of a website whose visual style you admire. Gemini studies that reference and tries to match the aesthetic in your output. Screen recordings tend to work better than still screenshots. They show Gemini exactly how the interactive elements behave when someone actually navigates the page. That gives it a richer picture to build from. So, where does the notebook deploy method actually create leverage for your business? If you work in brand consulting or content strategy, this workflow pays off fast. Package your discovery research into an interactive client hub. Hand that over as your deliverable instead of a PDF. Clients experience something they can navigate and explore on their own terms. That perceived difference alone supports a stronger pricing conversation. If you run lead generation or marketing campaigns for clients, this changes your whole approach. Build polished landing pages from a NotebookLM notebook. Load it with the client's brand materials and let Gemini generate the page. Fast to create, zero cost to produce. If you offer coaching or any knowledge-based service, this goes even further. Build onboarding hubs, training resource centers, and structured FAQ pages. Make them feel fully developed. With NotebookLM and Google Gemini running through this method, they essentially are. And if you are just getting started, this levels the playing field. Competing without a big budget used to mean compromising on presentation. That trade-off is gone now. 2 years ago, producing output like this would have cost serious money to outsource. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Picture a freelance strategist who just wrapped up a discovery phase. Her client is in the wellness coaching space. She spent 2 weeks organizing competitor research, audience insights, brand positioning notes, and a full service breakdown. All of it lives in one NotebookLM notebook. She opens Google Gemini, connects the notebook, switches on Canvas, and writes one focused prompt. In under a minute, she has a live shareable link. The site has clean navigation, a service overview, and a short self-selection quiz. There is a clear next step at the bottom of every page. She sends the link to the client as her final discovery deliverable. The client responds that same afternoon. They want to know when phase 2 starts. She schedules the call, raises her rate before signing the next scope, and moves on. Same quality of thinking she always brings. A completely different level of packaging. Here is what most people never connect. You do not need development skills to deliver polished web output anymore. NotebookLM handles the knowledge and organization layer. Gemini handles the generation and design layer. The notebook deploy method ties both into a repeatable workflow. Any freelancer can run it right now with no budget required. Imagine what your client work looks like 30 days from now once this becomes your default. Every research summary becomes something a client can actually click through. Every proposal becomes interactive and shareable. Every lead magnet becomes a web experience instead of a file someone downloads and forgets. That shift happens when you stop assembling deliverables one piece at a time. It happens when you start deploying them straight from a notebook instead. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you Go High Level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.